Hey guys! Welcome back to Life Above the Clouds. My name is Lauren Gaw, and this chick over here is my friend Leah.
Hi.
And her birthday is on the 19th.
It is, but we're not thinking about the 19th today.
Well, you should have said something. We could have made something for your birthday.
No, this is about St. Patty's Day.
Okay, this is about St. Patty's Day, which is on Tuesday the 17th, and we're gonna make some cupcakes with Bailey's Irish cream, because what else is Irish?
Yeah. And Guinness, but Bailey's is
And
way
Guinness.
better. Way
Yeah,
better.
those were the two ideas, Bailey's or Guinness, but yeah, Bailey's is
the
way
way
better.
to go.
Let's begin.
Yeah.
We're gonna start by whisking together our dry ingredients. This is 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 3/4 cups of cocoa powder, because these are gonna be chocolatey,
Oh, yum.
because of
Why
course. This is 3 teaspoons of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of salt. Zoom in on that
Look at
whiskey
that.
action. Okay. We're
Some
gonna set
buenos.
this aside. We're going to combine our granulated sugar. We have 1.5 cups of sugar.
Yeah.
I know, that's a lot of sugar, right? Look at that. This is 1/2 cup total of butter. I also added 2 tablespoons of cannabis butter in here.
Oh.
This is melted and I mixed the butters together so that way you make sure that they're well mixed. She's gonna continue mixing and I'm gonna add in our applesauce and then I'm gonna add our eggs. We have 1/2 cup of Bailey's Irish cream.
Yum. Let's get it in there.
Oh yeah. This is 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. And while Leah's still gonna continue mixing, I'm gonna start gradually adding in our dry ingredients. This is teamwork right here.
Yes.
I'm gonna get some hot water from my electric kettle and then I'm gonna add it to this batter. Oh, see with the hot water in there, that chocolate really activates.
Ooh.
We have 1/2 cup of water. I'm just adding it gradually as Leah's mixing. Here's our beautifully finished batter.
It looks so nice.
I already lined one of these cupcake tins with my St. Patrick's Day liners, and we're gonna start scooping some batter. I'm gonna go put these in the oven. It's already preheated to 350 degrees. We're gonna bake these for 18 to 20 minutes until a toothpick comes out clean. We're gonna make the frosting while the cupcakes are baking.
Oh, I didn't even think about the frosting.
Really?
Oh my goodness.
Oh, it's all about the frosting.
I'm gonna pretend like I know what I'm talking about. This looks like flour. Is it?
Powdered sugar.
Powdered sugar. Yes.
We have 3 cups of powdered sugar. We have 1 cup of unsalted butter softened. We have 3 tablespoons of Bailey's, more Bailey's. And then we're also gonna add a little dash of salt, like 1/8 of a teaspoon, just to offset the sweetness. And then yes, we have some green food coloring and some green sprinkles that you don't have to use, but
Yeah.
why not? So I'm gonna go ahead and start mixing up the butter. We want it to be nice and fluffy because we want fluffy frosting. Can you slowly add the powdered sugar?
Sure, of course.
We're gonna add it slowly because if you add it all at once, then it kind of blows up in the air at your face, and it is
Like that for now?
very unpleasant. Yeah, that's perfect. So here we have our 3 tablespoons of Bailey's that's gonna go in here. Oh yeah. We gotta make these really Baileys-y. Yeah, that's
so nervous.
perfect. I want neon green frosting.
Really aggressive green.
We put like the entire bottle of our green food coloring, and now we've got a nice,
That looks so good.
nice green in here.
Oh, hello, friend.
So we have our piping bag.
Oh,
We're
like
just
a-
gonna scoop it inside.
Excuse me.
And then what we will do is that we kind of twist it up.
Okay.
And then you can hold the twisted ends, and then you have
Go from there.
frosting. Check these
Look at how nice those
babies
look.
out.
Those look so good.
Guys, they're still very, very hot, literally just out of the oven. We are just gonna frost 2 of them so we can eat them, but I'm gonna tell you that the frosting is gonna melt like immediately.
I don't understand why you don't let Leah try the first one.
Oh, I didn't
Do
want
you wanna, she told me she
I
didn't
told her
want
to do it.
You wanna do yours?
Okay.
Okay. There you go.
They're just gonna.
I know, and it's just sliding off because they're so hot. Hey, that's so nice! Look at that! The melting. Oh yes, green sprinkles, green sprinkles! Happy St. Patrick's Day!
Ooh, that's so good.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah. That's so good.
They're delicious.
With the Baileys? Oh my gosh, thank you for sharing this with me.
Oh, it was hilarious.
Oh, really good.
Yeah. Good.
Oh, really good.
Really good. Thank you so much for joining me today. We made chocolate Bailey's Irish cream cupcakes with green frosting for St. Patrick's Day. And I had my friend Leah come on and join me. Thank you so much, Leah.
Yeah, thank you for having me.
Oh yeah, and if you want to check out our social media, there's links in the description section below. Don't forget to like this video and comment and subscribe and all of those awesome things. And thanks again for watching.
Yeah, happy St. Patty's Day.
Happy St. Patrick's Day.